You just found the 2017 Ford Fusion. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stunning Ford Fusion, the sleek midsize four-door that rolls sleek looks, smart tech, and luxurious amenities into a sporty package. It infuses every drive with style and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. This elegant Fusion won't last, and you deserve the chance to take it out for a road test. Stop in and let our expert staff put you in the driver's seat. We'll take excellent care of you.